Hey friends, Hattie here with Honeybee Stampers. I'm hopping off to do a quick live to share with you guys some swap cards that I had in a bin that I looked at and I thought, you know what, I don't think I've ever shared these online. And I know that a lot of you guys like to see swap cards. So I believe that these swap cards were from a leadership event that I went to. I feel like in New Orleans, which would have been a few years ago. We did leadership in New Orleans and then we did leadership in Las Vegas. I can't remember if we did a leadership event that was just, I don't know, online. I know this year it's going to be online. Anyways, pretty sure that this is from our New Orleans event. And so some of the product on here is retired, but it's always fun. At least I hear from you guys as well, that it's fun to see these cards. These are cards that I swapped with other demonstrators. And how it works is I create a card, just one sample. And then, so I design that one sample and then I mass produce completed cards in like 25 or 30 increment, however many are here, that's how many I made. And then when you go to one of the big Stampin' Up events, then you swap the cards with other people and then you come home with 25 or 30 different card samples. So that's super fun. So I'm gonna go over each of these cards. I'm gonna share them with you guys. I even took still shots so that I can post them over on my Honeybee Stampers business page so you guys can kind of take a look at those. I know people like to zoom in and take a real close look at those samples so that maybe they can get inspired. But before we jump into that, let me tell you about a couple of things that are happening really quickly, some really important things. Tomorrow's a big day because they have announced free shipping. So free shipping, every once in a while they surprise us with this. And if you guys have placed any Stampin' Up orders, you know that the shipping is no fun right now. So the free shipping is something I always take advantage of. Yes, there is a minimum, so you have to spend $75 in order to get the free shipping. But trust me, it's worth it. It's worth it because we've got bonus days going on, which I'll talk about in just a second. But it's a great time to stock up on supplies like cardstock, adhesive, or even to grab those things that are on your wish list that you've been wanting to get for a long time and never had a chance to. And now you can splurge on it because you don't have to pay for shipping. So nice. So there's that. I'm looking a little crooked on my camera. Let me see if that fixed it. So free shipping is tomorrow. And then we've got, I mentioned just a second ago, bonus days. So bonus days are happening right now through the entire month of August. Oh, sorry, the entire month of July. We are in July right now. So you are earning bonus days coupons in July to use on any order in August. So how it works is one, you earn $5 coupons for every $50 that you spend. So if you were to place an order for $50, you'd get an email with a $5 bonus coupon. Don't lose it because you're going to use it in August. Now, if you were to spend $150, and that's a really good benchmark to hit because you would then become a host of your own and you would get host rewards. So you would get $15 in free product on top of that, plus free shipping on all of that, okay? So shipping for that is, I don't know, $17 or something right now, I would say, for a $150 order. It's kind of hefty. So you'd be saving on that, plus you'd get $15, plus you'd get an additional $15 in bonus days coupons that you can use next month in August. So that is a win on top of a win on top of a win. Okay, and then tomorrow, they just announced this surprise sale that's happening tomorrow, up to 75% off of refills for Paper Pumpkin, pass kits, and add-ons. So these are only for Paper Pumpkin subscribers. Now, if you're not a Paper Pumpkin subscriber, I highly recommend that you sign up so that you can take advantage of this because the kits are just so great. They're great to travel. They're great to gift. And you guys, if you saw my last video, I put together this Paper Pumpkin, gorgeous Paper Pumpkin kit. I have no idea if this is going to be on sale tomorrow, but if it is, I'm going to grab several. So here are the cards that I put together on a video, my last video that I just did. And if you're on my email list, I just emailed these out recently with the recording of the video and some still shots of these gorgeous cards. So make sure you check your email because I got a lot of great information on there. So hopefully this kit will be available tomorrow because I'll definitely snag several more. So up to 75% off of some of the refills, pass kits, and add-ons. Okay, so all of that's going on tomorrow. starting tomorrow. Bonus days goes the entire month of July, and then you can use them in August, but free shipping is only tomorrow. So I'm really putting a push for that because I really like to get a good deal, and I know you guys do too. So let's just share that, okay? Now this is our new host code for July because of my wonderful customers that you guys all are. We were able to close out the original July host code. If you got my email today, check your emails because I just sent one out about an hour or so ago. This new host code is on there. So it's UZ4F699Q. And then that directs your order to me. And I appreciate that so much. Okay, so let's share. Let me see if this comes out. Nope, it doesn't. So let's share some of these projects. I actually just designed a card featuring this rustic crate. This was actually still current. And I know that this designer series paper, or not designer series paper, the embossing folder that they use back here is also still current. These cards that I'm showing you today, I did not design them. And then actually, I think I had my helper take them out of their plastic sleeves, forgetting that I hadn't gone live. So I can't tell you who actually made these. So if you're watching this and you designed this card for our leadership swap, you know, say hey. So, and here's another one. Now this one I know that this card was designed by my friend Erica, and it's so her style. It's so cute. I absolutely love it. It's adorable. And let me see. Oh, that's not even designer series paper. That's just pieces of cardstock that are taped together. She's so clever. So that's a beautiful card. Pretty sure this stamp set retired, but anyways, it's a great layout. You could probably case this. I love that paper, the strips of paper going along there with all the different colors of purple. So I'm gonna have to maybe case that somehow. All right, here's another one. And I'm pretty sure this is still available. So beautiful card layouts, nice hefty card too. Lots of layers on here. And I love these gems. So there's that one. Again, like I said, I'm gonna have some still photos that I'll post later tonight of these. This was such a fun set with the little bear, and it had a coordinating punch. I know that this one has retired, but if some of you out there purchased this, then here's a great card that you can case or recreate. And some little flag banners, like a little banner here and then a piece of the ribbon there. I love that. See, nope, nothing on the inside. Here is another one. So bright and fun, perfect Christmas card here. Have a holly jolly Christmas. This was one of my favorite sweets. I did a card club with my friend Alana. Alana, I said Alana. Alana with that bundle or that suite of products. Okay, and then here's another one. Pretty sure this one retired too. But I like how they use the dye, the negative that's here in this thermos to change the color of that. It's a get well soon card, nothing on the inside. This stamp right here is one of our reversible stamps. So it means that you can stamp the image that's detailed, and then you take that, clean it off, take that image, flip it over, and then stamp it again, and it kind of puts like a background on there. I have not used those reversible stamps much, and I really need to dive into that because we have several available. This one included is available right now, and it's so cute. I just think that that turtle is so cute. I've seen some great projects with that. So this is a fun card. They've taken the punch. This punch is still available. It's like a trio flower punch. I can't think of the name of it right now, but they've punched all three of them out, crumpled them up, and then glued them all together to create that 3D. Can you, oopsies. I'll have to glue that back on. Can you see that on the side there, how it's 3D and it's creates such great interest. So that's cute. It looks like I might be missing a gem out of there. So happy to celebrate you. Ooh, look at this one. This one is so cute. They've done some really fun fall colors here, and they've stamped the two-step stamping and did the darker veins there that really make it pop. I know that this stamp set is actually still available as well to purchase, so that's always fun. Let's see if there's anything on the inside. Nope. I do love those colors together, so pretty. Now this one, I know that this stencil has retired, but look at how fun that is. It just creates such a soft image, but this the colors that they chose for this are super bright and vibrant. So I love this card. Even though we don't have this sunflower stencil anymore, we do have two other, potentially more than two, anyway, stencils that are available. And I think there's some in the online exclusives too. There's so much product coming out right now. I'm having a hard time keeping up with everything. But yeah, I love this card. Super cute. Kind of like they made their own designer series paper with the stencil. I can't remember if this is available still. I feel like it is because I think the designer series paper that coordinated with these balloons carried over, but I don't know if the balloons did. Anyways, you'll have to check it out. But fun. I love it. I like how the streamers are all crisscrossing over each other. This one is, I know this one is still available for purchase. The translucent florals, and I have used this a ton. And then this embossing folder here, this metal, I think it's called the metal plate 3D embossing folder, something like that. That is still available. So, oh, look, I got a sticker on here. So this was designed by Kim Vogel. So nice job, Kim. Love it. Okay, and then we've got this little bear again. He's so cute. And then here we go. This is a fun fold. That's clever. I really like that. Oh, and it even, okay, so it's like a full-size card, and then they folded this back, and then they added a little layer on top this way. I like that a lot. That's really cool. So it could actually stand up on your table like this. Very cool. Nice job, whoever did that. So this one is fun. This designer series paper is still available. I do know that. That might be all that's available still. I don't know. And then we've got the Country Corners dies. Those are still available. So they've used it here a couple times. And I think that's part of it too. Here is that autumn stamp set or bundle. Love it. I used this last year quite a bit. And I probably use it again because I love the dies. I love everything about it. It's so pretty. And look, they use the veins. So you stamp the veins here for the leaves, but then they use just the veins to have kind of like a background. So it looks like tone on tone back there, and I really like that effect. It's pretty. And then this beautiful paper. Oh, that paper's so pretty. There's that. Okay, this is fun. I love fun folds. Look how cute that is. Look at that. Isn't that adorable? And this is such a great stamp set. I don't remember if it's called Lighting the Way. I think it might be retired, but don't quote me on that. Oh my gosh. It's honestly so hard for me to keep up with what's staying, what's going, what's online exclusive. I'm trying my best, but I absolutely love this. So fun fold, and this would sit up on your table really nicely. So there's that. And then this paper right here was probably some of my favorite designer series paper. The truck I know is still available. It's an online exclusive. Once you get the hang of doing the two-step stamping for this truck, you're gonna fall in love with it and changing the colors, and the stamps line up so well. It takes a little bit of practice initially, but then once you got it, and it's so fun. So look at that truck, how adorable that goes with this card so well. We just got a couple more. So here's this one, nice simple card. I can't remember if this one carried over, and I feel like it retired. But even though it retired, look at the layout. You can case that. Look at the color combination that they used, and they did some splattering technique I can see here all over the card. It's either splatter or it's a really nice stamp that they've used to do the splatter effect. And they even stamped a little bit on the inside there. So that's a really cute card. Here's another fun fold for us. It's a Christmas one. Take that off, and when you open it up, that's so cute. You got a Christmas ornament that was made, and look, they stamped the truck again, put the trees in the back of the truck. I actually don't remember that. I don't remember that in the truck stamp set. I'm gonna have to look. But they've got these little railings there on the back of the truck. Then they've stamped the sentiment here because there's maybe 2 sentiments or something like that you could stamp on the side of the truck, or you could use it elsewhere. Done a little bit of puff paint here, and looks like they had painted the ornament. It was just a wood ornament that they painted white and then did all that stamping. and then even has a little pocket. So imagine you could do an ornament, you can put a little gift card in here. And let me see how they sealed this. Okay, with just some adhesive up the side. So you can have your little card come out here and then stick a gift card in there if you want, or maybe the ornament is the gift within itself. It's got a little lanyard on there, or like a little string on there that you can hang it. And then this right here looks like it's just adhered on the sides there to create that topper. And this looks to me like Santa Claus's tummy. I don't know if that's what it's supposed to look like or not, or if it's just, I don't know. It looks like it, doesn't it, with the little buttons and stuff? Anyways, very fun, very cute. And then here is this one. I love this fun fold. This is always a great one to use. And this stamp set has retired, and the paper and everything like that, but take a look at that fun fold. That's something that you can definitely case. And it's a nice wow factor card. I love these embellishments too. I think they went really well with that. Okay, so I am gonna post a still photo of all of these cards over on my Facebook business page, Honeybee Stampers. So head over there and check them out. Ooh and ah over them, like your favorite card. Let me know if you have any questions about anything. And have fun shopping tomorrow with all the great sales that are going on. Don't forget free shipping tomorrow all day, okay? Don't miss it. Super important. 75% off for you Paper Pumpkin subscribers. And then you earn bonus days. Save your coupons. So as soon as you get that email from Stampin' Up, make sure you like either print or write out that coupon code or save it. And then you will use it in August, from August 1st through the 31st. So, and I think that's it. All right, guys, I hope you have a great day. Remember, here's our new host code for July. And if you have any questions or need any help placing orders tomorrow, let me know. I'm available. All right, thanks, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.